Namaste, all of you are welcome to today's IT class. Today we are going to conclude this lesson MS Paint. Last class we have discussed about MS Paint and some tools in MS Paint. What is MS Paint? MS Paint is an application software. It is used to draw and color images. Okay, how we start MS Paint? First go Start button, then Programs, then Accessories, then Paint. Okay, all of you understand how we start MS Paint? Start button, all programs, accessories, MS Paint. Okay, last class we have discussed some tools in MS Paint. First one is Pentagon tool. What is the use of Pentagon tool? The Pentagon tool is used to draw the pentagon. What do you mean by pentagon? A shape has 5 sides is called the pentagon. So, Pentagon tool is used to draw the pentagon. The Pentagon tool is inside the shape tool. Okay. What is the use of Pentagon tool? The Pentagon tool is used to draw the pentagon. By using the bucket fill tool, fill with color tool, we can give color to the shape. Okay. By using fill with the color tool, we can give color to the shape. Then another tool is text tool. A tool. Text tool is used to type the text. What is the use of text tool? The text tool is used to type the text. Okay. What is the use of text tool? The text tool is used to type the text. Another one is color picker tool. It is look like a dropper. The use of color picker tool is used to find the exact color from an image. Here the color we can select yellow. Then select the color picker tool and click here. So the exact color is shown here. So the color picker tool is used to find the exact color of an image. Then another one is select tool. The select tool is used to select the part of an image or select the whole image. Okay. The select tool is used to select the part of an image or select the whole image. Okay. These have been discussed in last class. What are the tools we have discussed in last class? Pentagon tool, text tool, color picker tool and the select tool. Today we are going to discuss about rotate tool and resize tool. What is the use of rotate tool? Rotate tool is used to rotate the image. How we rotate an image? First, select the image by using the select tool. Then go the rotate option. Here so many options. Rotate right 90 degree. So the image is rotate to right side 90 degree. Then rotate left 90 degree. So the image is rotate to left 90 degree. Then rotate 180 degree. Then flip vertical. Then flip horizontal. Okay, what is the use of rotate tool? The rotate tool is used to rotate the image. How we rotate the image? First, select the image by using the select tool. Then goes to the rotate option. Then another tool is resize tool. The resize tool is used to change the size of an image. How we change the size? First, we select the image. Then goes resize. Then adjust the size. Here the size is 100. Here I change the size to 150. Then okay. The size of the image is increased. Okay. Rotate tool is used to rotate the image and the resize tool is used to change the size of an image. Okay. Then another one is copy paste. The copy paste is used to make the many copies of the same image. Okay. What is the use of copy paste? The copy paste is used to make the many copies of the same image. How we copy the image? First, select the image by using the select tool. Then goes here, copy option, copy. click. Otherwise, right click, then copy. Otherwise, Ctrl plus C option. Okay, how we copy the image? First select the image, then go the copy option. Otherwise, right click, then select copy. Otherwise, shortcut key Ctrl plus C. Then how we paste the image? It paste by using the paste tool. Paste. So we get another one copy of the image. Otherwise, right click, paste. So we also get another one copy. Then otherwise, Ctrl plus V. Okay. Ctrl plus V is the shortcut. Okay. What is the use of copy paste? Copy paste is used to make the many copies of the same image. Okay. Then we are going to learn about the image extensions. Okay. If we draw a picture in MS Paint, it's also saved in image extension. Okay. How we identify that? First select the file, then select the save as option. Look here, save as type PNG. The default format in MS Paint is PNG. PNG means portable network graphic. The default means automatically all the images drawn in MS Paint saved to PNG format. PNG is the extension, image format. Okay, PNG means portable network graphics. So many image extensions are here. Look here. BMP, bitmap, then JPG, JPEG, GIF, TIFF. So many image extensions are here. If we want to change the image extension, select from here. Okay, then save it. Okay, so the image format means the images can be saved with the extension of image format. The automatic image format in MS Paint is PNG. PNG means portable network graphic. Then other image formats are Windows bitmap, then joint photographic expert group .jpg or JPG, then graphic interchange format GIF, then portable network graphic, then device independent bitmap. These are the image extensions. The default format is PNG. Okay, all of you understand this. In this lesson, we have learned about some tools like Pentagon, color picker tool, then text tool, then select tool, then and some other options: resize, rotate, copy, paste. Okay, I think that all of you understand very well. If you have any doubt, contact me. Namaste.